Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to Pristine Automotive Designs, PAD. Now today we're going to have something a little bit different, something a little special. Instead of one Mercedes, we're going to have two Mercedes. Say hello to the 2016 Mercedes C300 in a beautiful blue color. So first off, let's get some of the analytics out of the way. 241 horsepower, not going to need that much horsepower. You're driving a luxury car. Perfect size, not too big, not too small. Really good package. Same with the older C300s. Really good size for a person that's not going to be carrying on a ton of things all day long, but you still want that luxury feeling. 34 miles per gallon, amazing gas mileage. Same on my car, amazing gas mileage. I cruise on the interstate all the time, and sometimes I'll take a little glimpse at the miles per gallon. I get like 35, 40, it's amazing. Weighs about 3,400 pounds, not too bad, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, and 0 to 60 in about 6.5 seconds. Again, not too bad for a beautiful car that you're most likely going to be cruising in, not going too fast, and just having a beautiful day, especially on a day like today. Perfect weather, beautiful. So we're going to take a little bit look at the exterior, then we'll go in the interior, and later on I'll be making another video for you guys to compare the two, old model to the new model, and see like what type of differences Mercedes put in. So let's take a little bit at the exterior. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's some beautiful exterior looking parts of the car. Beautiful lines, nice round curvature angles. Of course, like in the headlights, you have cool details like it says Mercedes-Benz. And the headlamps, your really cool LED headlamps, and beautiful grille. Of course, you have your chrome like most Mercedes have. A really nice lip at the bottom. As you go around, you have your nice 5-spoke wheels split in half, of course. Beautiful. I believe they're 18-inch wheels. Beautiful door handles, chrome with the chrome trim around. Most Mercedes have, like mine on over there. And of course you have your cool spoiler in the back. Not too aggressive, a nice smooth look to it. I have seen a few Mercedes without it, with or without it, and that actually gets me to my first mod. I'll talk about that a little bit later. Maybe I'll do a video on it, but we'll see. But a lot of cool fixtures on it. You have your C300 badge, of course, and your nice exhaust at the bottom. It's very integrative, very roundish tips that fit the car really nicely with its angles, and just a lot of cool. Of course, like most modern cars nowadays, you have automatic headlights. But I turned them on manually just so you could see what they look like. Beautiful LEDs in the front. Beautiful daylight driver's light that you didn't see when the car was turned off. And this coming behind you looks absolutely beautiful. And I'll show you later in my car. I have the LEDs on the bottom, but this LED strip that goes above, I believe it's like a halo LED, looks amazing both day and at night. It's just an amazing view. And another cool thing is the new taillights that they did. So Mercedes definitely has changed up their taillights. Again, I'll go more into detail when I make a video about the two differences between the older and newer model car. But they do, as you can see, the LEDs going across in the two strips with the reflector in the center. And it's all together just a beautiful looking car altogether. So let's go ahead and check out the interior real quick. So as we get into the interior, we're greeted with beautiful stitching seats, really nice design, and on the new Mercedes, of course, they have the part where I can extend out for people with longer legs, of course, like myself. Mercedes-Benz chrome plates on the bottom. beautiful black steering wheel, grips at the 3 and 9 positions. Your push button start, of course. Newer cars with the push button, I don't have that. But beautiful grains going around. I believe this is wood grain with the touch mouse pad in the center with your dials, changing your different ride styles and your volume, power, and just all together just looks very nice. Your center console in this middle and your larger screen in the center. Mercedes did change up their AC, and I love that they did this. It looks so much nicer. Everything looks quality. When you turn it side to side, it makes that nice clicking sound, you knowing that it's moving. And altogether, just a really nice, clean design. Not too much, not too little. Of course, you have your ACs in this, and AC settings in the center, your menu button, and your beautiful Mercedes clock in the center. Very, very detailed, close. They paid a lot of attention to detail. Want you to enjoy these things and see these different things that Mercedes attempts to do. And it is a C-Class, so it's not huge space, but again, it's not meant to be huge space. If you'd like to have a ton of space, you'd probably want to go more for the E-Class or the S-Class, but again, C-Class, it's small but amazing, so comfortable. I could cruise in this all day long. So again, on the steering wheel, you have your paddles up and down, your signal lights, and everything's just so beautifully put together. So similar to my car, we have the Mercedes key, and again, you don't have to put it in because you have push button start, foot on the brake, and the car is started. And of course, you're greeting with the beautiful clear screen, your mileage in the center, your gear selectors in the. Take the brand new 2016 Mercedes C300 out on a little ride. I'm going to show you guys a little bit the comforts of it, tell you guys a little bit how it feels to drive. So I'm used to driving 2011 Mercedes C300, and it always feels amazing. It's always smooth, always responsive, feels good, has a little bit of power to like get out of situations, of course, when you need it. You can always use the manual shift and downshift to a lower gear to give you a little bit more power. But as I'm driving the 2016 Mercedes, it's so comfortable. Most comfortable. But as I'm going around, it's so comfortable. Very good steering response. I love the way the steering wheel is gripped. It just feels amazing. It feels super amazing. Brakes are very touchy. I love it. Ooh, I love the way the steering feels. It's loose, but at the same time it feels grip. Definitely has some get up and go, even though you're definitely not going to be needing that. Very comfortable, very luxurious ride. Like, I feel like I'm in a very expensive car. Mercedes is a very expensive brand, so of course they have a high standard to keep, and this feels very good. You can try the paddle shifters. Very quick response, downshifting. Yep, the torque is definitely there. Use that. I use it not too much, but I do use it to get out of little situations. It's a very easy car to drive, very intuitive, not that hard to drive. I mean, it's a luxury car. You feel like you're cruising on air. So, in comparison to my car, this feels amazing. I mean, my car feels amazing too, so it kind of feels like I'm driving the same car, but I do feel a little bit more spacious in my car. I feel like this car is a little bit smaller, which it could be, very well may be, but it is a very beautiful ride. So I really hope you guys enjoyed taking this for a little ride. I really did. It switches it up a little bit, because I'm so used to driving my car, and it feels weird looking down, knowing this is a C300, but looking down and seeing all the beautiful gauges. I'm also so used to grabbing the gear exchanger in the center, and it's very weird not having anything there. And also, you guys probably notice that the car is off when I stop. That is because it is equipped with auto start stop, and that is on, and you can turn it off easily like that, and the car starts again like that. And a lot of newer cars have that to try to save gas mileage, but I wouldn't really like it that much. I don't really like hearing my car go on and off, but others may like it. So
It's a very good feature to have.
Alright guys, so another cool thing about being in this vehicle is the doors. It's just beautiful. The way they put it together, you have your Berman's Fire. Someone correct me in the comments, I'm not sure how to say it, but your beautiful speakers in the door, your heated seats to the left, and your headrest, back support, bottom, and of course the extender that makes the bottom go front and back, and your windows, your mirrors, unlock and lock, and your door or your trunk button in the bottom. Of course, you have your newer looking parking brake release, your gauge cluster brightness right here, and altogether it's just so beautiful. The way they integrated it, you have your 1, 2, 3 different settings for seats. Everything just fits so nicely. It's not forced to be there. Everything in here has a purpose, and it just looks beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of rolling shots. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and hope you guys enjoy the rolling shots. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at PADesignss with 2 S's at the end, and like and subscribe. And I'm also still selling PAD t-shirts and custom PADesignss key tags. So comment down below, because I've been going through a ton of them and I want to know if I need to order another set. So if you're interested in that, let me know. $15 for a shirt and $5 for a key tag. So I will see you guys later.